Hello everyone, I am Salman Haider. So, what we have done in the last class is confusing, so I'm making this video to compensate that. So, we have the example taken in the last class or the class before the last one. So, we have data on x, that is from the x 5 to 10. Here y variable is from 10 to 25. Now quickly we have we can estimate the sum. So this is the sum of x. This is simply summation of y. Now this is summation x square. This is summation x y. So this is through the command of excel using sum. Now I have told the formula in the class slightly wrongly that beta this is equal to beta is equal to covariance divided by a standard deviation. But the actual formula is this one, covariance of x and y divided by the variance of x. So here we have calculated the covariance by using the command here covariance dot s, and we use the argument given here, two variables one by one. Covariance coming 8.7 and variance of x is also coming uh, 3.7. So finally beta is equal to your 8.7 divided by 3.7, so we have 2.35 value of beta, and value of a is calculated by the formula uh, given in your WhatsApp group. I have just sent you. Let me just once reiterate it. So summation y multiply y summation x square minus summation x multiply by summation x y. This is summation x y, and in denominator we have n multiply by summation x square minus summation x का whole square, summation x 39 का whole square, that is a7 power 2. So we have denominator, so finally we can put denominator as b12, so that is 74. Finally we get the value of 0 point minus 0.75. This is the intercept or a, and this is the beta coefficient. So in this way we have y is equal to 0 minus 0.454 plus 2.35x, and we can then find out the y hat and residual sum of a square, so on, and r square. So quickly how we can do in excel, let me show you once. So here we go to the insert, not in the in data analysis heading, we go data analysis. Here we can find regression, click ok. So it will ask you the input range, means the value of y. So cursor will be here, so let me give the y. This is the y. So y is there, output x variable is from 5 to 10, and finally we got the regression result. See the our coefficient calculated here by the formula is same as calculated in the regression analysis tool. Here we have additionally got t statistic, p value, critical bound of 95% class interval, and so on. We will discuss in later class, later module. Here one thing to note is the r square is 0.625, means 62% of variation in y is explained by the variation in x, which is just equal to the regression sum of a square. SS means sum of a square divided by total sum of a square. So we have exactly the same number. So total sum of a square is 130, which is decomposed into two part, that is regression and residual. So we can, if you sum it will exactly come 130. So we can sum these two value. See, same value is coming. So we decomposed 130 into two parts. Regression sum of a square we can say is RSS, or this is ESS, also explained sum of a square, and for residual we can say residual sum of a square. So this is the simple regression analysis which we can do in Excel by clicking on data analysis tool. Hope you understand these things. Now you can do some practice. I'll give you the question in the group to do that. Thank you.